Hi, sixth graders. Just want to say thank you to those of you that attended my live lesson today. And this is that video as promised. For those of you that did not attend the live lesson, please watch this video carefully because it will give you some information for some required work that you need to do in order to get the grade. So let me explain very quickly what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to download the Kami extension if you haven't already learned how to do that. The other thing that I want to show you is how to fill out a document using Kami. And finally, I want to show you how to share that document with me. A couple of things that you need to know. First of all, please make sure before you follow my instructions and you download Kami and do all the notes that we're going to do today, make sure you're logged into your Peak Prep account. That's very, very important. You need to be logged into your Peak Prep account so that you can share with me. All right? The other thing is I want to alert you to, if you don't already know this, you have something on your Google Chrome website. It's here, and then there's another one here. Either one, you may have one, you may have both. I call it the waffle because it looks like a waffle. And if you click on it, you will notice that you have these things that are your tools that you can use. Not all of these will be in yours. These are just some that I have. But in Google Chrome, you will have Google Drive, Gmail, Slides, Forms, Docs, and you will also have a web store. Okay? This is in your waffle. Now, we are going to go to the web store. If you don't have this in your waffle, no problem. Just make sure you're in Chrome. Okay? And the way you do that is you open up a tab, make sure that you're in Google Chrome, and again, I can't emphasize this enough. Please make sure that you are logged into your Peak Prep account first. All right? Once you're logged into your Peak Prep account, please go to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store in the address bar. This is where you want to go. If you already have some extensions, by the way, some of you who are a little more tech savvy, this button here is your Chrome Web Store. But you can also do it in your apps by clicking here. Same thing, okay? Ideally, where you want to go is your Chrome Web Store, all right? So either one is fine. This is where we want to end up is in the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to close this window because we don't need it. All right, so I'm in my Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to type Kami, and this is the extension that I want to add to Chrome. Now, I already have this. I already downloaded it. So you can see here are all my extensions that I've created, and Kami is one of them. If I didn't have it, then this button wouldn't say rate it. It would say add to Chrome, and then I would click on it and follow the instructions until Kami was then an extension. It takes a minute. Doesn't take long at all. All right? So once you've done that, once you've added Kami as an extension to your Chrome account, and by the way, you can also do it on Firefox, but I just find it works better on Chrome because it's made for Chrome. So, yeah, it works great on Firefox too, though. All right, so because especially if you're in Chrome on Firefox. All right, well, that aside, make sure you have the Kami accounts set up and your extension set up in your Peak Prep account. Once that's done, you can close the account, okay? Then what you want to do is go to your Google Drive. I already have mine open, but if you don't know how to find it, go to your waffle, find your Google Drive, okay? And this is where any work that you do for Kami will end up, all right? So we'll get into that in just a little bit. All right, so once you've got the Kami website and you've figured out how to use your waffle, go to your Edgenuity account as a student. This is my student account. I haven't done any work on it because I'm not a student in the class, but this is what I use to see what you all are doing, all right, and what it looks like for you. So let's try math. All right, so it doesn't matter which subject, you're going to do this for all your subjects, all right? And I guess I should explain what you're going to do for your subjects. In grades 6 through 12, you will be expected to take notes. And many of your teachers, in fact, I believe most of them, are going to require you to turn in your notes. So in 6th grade, we're going to learn how to take good notes, and we're going to use Edgenuity because Edgenuity has this very handy dandy tool called guided notes. So we'll start with math, and we can do it in math. You're going to do it in all your subjects. Oh, and as a quick reminder, ladies and gentlemen, please remember at Peak Prep, you must log in to all your classes, each and every class once a day, and you must submit work in each of your classes once a day, Monday through Friday. So no skipping courses and no skipping days. All right, so like I said, we're going to math, so you're going to click on math. And if you have been working a minute, you will notice that in your course map, there are these big, thick blue bars all the way through the semester. All right, all the way through. Those are where we want to go. Now, I'm asking you to do guided notes, but I do not want the guided notes for any assignments before September 8th. So you will only send me your unit guided notes after September 8th. Okay, so after Labor Day. So let's say next Tuesday, you're in the middle of an assignment. You will not send me the notes from this assignment. Any assignment, or sorry, any unit that you start after September 8th, that's the one you're going to use. So what do I mean by that? If you click on this blue bar or you click on the plus sign, either way, it's going to open up this window, and here you'll see something that says View Guided Notes. Click on that. And these are the notes for that entire unit, which you will fill out as you're watching the videos, as you're doing the lessons. Okay? Now, you can do this one of two ways. You can open this up in Kami and fill it in online. If you have the ability and you prefer to write things out, of course, you can print it and then fill it out and then scan it and send it to me. Either way is fine. But if you don't have the ability to print, or you want to do this in Kami, the next thing you're going to do is open with Kami. And sorry, my internet's taking a while. And here are those notes. Now I can fill in these notes by clicking on this T for text box. And you're going to go to the lesson, starting with the warm-up. And as you do the warm-up, you fill in these empty boxes. So I don't know, I haven't done the lesson, but I'm assuming is, how are ratios used in the real world? Okay, that might be the question. All right, and then I'm just going to go over here, text box, type again. I'm not really typing anything because I want to hurry. All right, but you get the idea. You're going to fill this in. All right, as you fill it in, Kami automatically saves your work. Okay, but when you are done, go ahead and make sure you save it anyway. So click on Save. Click on Save Now, and then you'll be done. Okay? Now, here's what's cool. If you go into your Google Drive, and I have two open here. Even if I didn't have this open, click on a new tab. Now I have it in my bookmark bar, but let's say you don't. You can click on Apps. That's your waffle. Click on Google Drive, and it will open up your drive. And then what you're looking for is something titled Kami Uploads. As soon as you download the Kami extension and you give it permission to access your account, it will automatically create a Kami, uploads folder. So there's the Kami Uploads folder. And if I open this, see, there's that document that we were just working on. All right. So going back to the assignments, this set of guided notes is for the entire unit up until September 10th. So you're not going to send this to me until you are done with this unit. You do not need to send it to me every day. You only send me the guided notes at the end of the unit. All right? I'm going to repeat that. The guided notes are for you throughout the unit, and you only send it to me once they're completed and you fill them in for the entire unit. So you'll only send it to me at the end of the unit. And it's very easy to send it to me. So here we are in our Kami uploads folder. This is what we were working on. That's this document got saved to Kami uploads. There it is. All right. And what you're going to do is one of two things. Just one time click on it. And then as you see, when I did that, this menu bar showed up. You can click on the person plus, and then you're going to share it with me. Now, since this is my folder, I'm sharing with myself, but I'm going to pretend I'm another student, and you're going to share it with me. All right? And then you click send, and now you have shared this note with me. You don't need to do anything else. That's it. All right? Please make sure, again, that you complete notes for each of your subjects, unit notes in each of your subjects. You do not start on August 24th. You start at the very next new unit that you do after Labor Day. Okay? And I will be looking for those from you. If you have any questions about this or you have any trouble, reach out to me. I can meet you on Zoom and I can walk you through it. All right, I hope this helps. Look forward to chatting with you.